Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to math. So, today we're learning about percentage. It's very helpful because you see it a lot in life, especially at a store. Okay, so the whole purpose of today is we're trying to find a certain percentage of a number. Okay, so we're at the store. At this store, we have this lovely, delicious bag of chips that they're selling. Luckily, it's 50% off, okay? So, the original price of the chips, okay? We're gonna pretend that they're $412, okay? It's a lot of money for chips, but they're very delicious chips, very rare chips, okay? So, we're gonna pay $412, but luckily, like I said, they're 50% off, okay? So, 50% off. So we're trying to find what we're gonna pay for the chips now that they're 50% off. So usually all percentage is over 100. Okay. So now you have calculators, you have phones, you have everywhere where you can just type it in there and it gives you the percentage. So I'm not gonna bore you with the old fashioned of dividing 50 over 100. So I'm just gonna skip to it and give you the percentage or the decimal, in other words, which is 50% becomes 0.50, okay, in decimal form. So now that we have the decimal form, we can multiply our original number times our decimal, okay? So we can say 412 times 0.50, okay? So we have 0 times 2, which is 0. I like to do every number with everything. This way I don't get confused, I don't get lost. So 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0. Now we're going to go on with the next number. We add an extra 0 because it's on the next row. 5 times 2 is 10. We bring up the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 that we already had, that's 6. And then we have 5 times 4, which is 20, okay? When this happens down here, you add them. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. There's nothing there, so it's just a 0, bring it down, and then bring down the 2. Now, notice that we have a decimal, okay? We're gonna find out how many spaces from the end. So we have 1, 2, okay? Whatever you do on one side, you have to do to the other, remember. It's all about balance. So on the opposite, we start off at the end, we're gonna move 1, and then 2. And then we're gonna place it in there. So our final answer is $206. That's how much we're gonna pay for this bag of chips, okay? So notice that we found 50% of 412, which was 206. We did it because we turned the percentage into a decimal, okay? So here's your assignment for today. All right, guys, so the assignment for today is at the store, we're gonna buy this lovely chess piece or chess set board for the price of only $848. Okay, maybe a little expensive, but it's one of a kind. Okay, but luckily for you, it is 50% off. Okay, so the chess piece or the chessboard is $848 at 50% off. Okay. All right. So the chest is at 400 or 848 with the 50% off. We have one more thing we're gonna buy here at this store. We have this lovely keychain with some keys, some random keys. Okay, this keychain costs $420. So 420 but you're getting a 20% discount. Okay, so keychain for 420 with 20% discount, and then the lovely chess board for 848 with 50% discount. So those are your two problems for your assignment. Make sure you submit your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, and I'll be waiting for your answers.